my good children of St. Joseph's Nursery and Primary School. How are you doing? And how are you coping with this pandemic? I believe you're doing well. Yes, you are doing well. Welcome again to St. Joseph's Nursery online teaching. This morning we'll still be talking about percentage. I believe you can remember that we had started percentage. Now, let's still go further on this percentage. Now, today we'll be talking about increase and decrease by percentage. Increase and decrease by percentage. Now, look at this note. Firstly, when you are to increase or decrease by percentage, find the percentage of the initial quantity given. Can you see? Then add or subtract what you get from the initial quantity. That is, you have to find the percentage of the quantity given to you. Then after that, you can now add it, or if it is addition, if you are to increase, you add it. If you are to decrease, you subtract it. Do you understand that? Now let's go to the examples. Look at this. Number one, increase 1,400 naira by 40%. Now the initial value is what? 1,400 naira, and this is the percentage of this. Now the solution, we have 40% of 1,400 naira, which equals to 40 over 100 of means times 1,400 over 1. 0 cancels 0, 0 cancels 0, which equals to, which remains 40 times 14. Now let's have it on. We have 40 times 14. 4 times 0, 0, 4 times 4, 16. 1 times 0, 0, 1 times 4 is 4. We have 0, this is what? 6, and this is what? 5. That's 560 naira. 560 naira. Now, this is the 40% of this. Don't forget. Now, the new value now, new value equals to, they said increase. That is addition. That will be, the initial value is what? 1,400 plus 560. Then it's going to give you what? If you add it very well, it's going to be what? If you look at it, it's going to be 1,960 naira. 1,960 naira. That is the what? You have increased 1,400 by 40%. Now, let's go to number 2. The length of a tree is 120 meters long. It increases by what? 20%. What is its new length? Increases. Now, solution. What is the value? It is what? 120 meters long. And by what? 20%. That is 20% of 120 meters. Which equals to 20 over 100 times 120 over 1. 0 cancels 0. 0 cancels 0. Which equals to 2 times 12. And it's going to give you what? 24 meters. That is the increment. That is what? Added. Because it said increase it. Now, if we now to increase it now it will now be new value equals to what? The initial value is what? 120 meter plus 24 meter, and it's going to give me what? If you calculate it very well, it's going to give me 144 meter. That is the new increase. That is the what? The new increase. Now let's move further. I believe you are enjoying it. Now look at this. If you reduce 1,400 liters of oil by 27%, what quantity will remain? You reduce it. It's still the same thing. Now, solution. We have what? 27% of this first. That's 27% of 1,400 liters. Equals to 27 over 100 times 1,400 over 1. Cancels, 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 cancels. Equals to what? 27 times 14. It equals to what? Oh, yeah, give us. Okay, let's come here. Let's see. 27 times 14. 4 times 7 is what? 28. You write 8. Keep 2. 4 times 2, 8 plus 2, 10. 1 times 7, 7. 1 times 2, 2. They have 8, 7. This is what? This is 378 liters. 378 liters. Now, don't forget, they said you should reduce. That is what? Subtraction. Then, new value equals to what? The initial value 1,400 minus 378. Now, let's quickly count this. 1,400 minus 378. You can do this. This is 1 here. This is 10. 10 minus 8 will give me what? 2. And this one remains 9. 9 minus 7, 2. What remains there is 3. 3 minus 3, that is 10. That is what? 1,022 liters. 1,022 liters. As simple as A, B, C. Let's go to the last one that I will be giving to you this morning. Saying a boy ate 45% of his cake. 45% of his cake. Now, if the cake was 20 grams, what is the weight of the remaining cake? The initial weight of the cake is what? 20 grams. And he ate out of it is what? 45%. Now, just say 45% of what? 20 grams of cake. It will be what? 45 over 100 times 20 over 1. 0 cancels 0. 2 year 1. 2 year is what? 5. 5 year 1. 5 year is what? 9. Which equals to what? 9 grams. That is 45% of this 20 grams. Is what? 9 grams. And they said, what will remain? That is what? Subtraction. Then new value equals to what? 20 grams, which is the initial value, minus 9 grams. And it will remain what? 11 grams. Thank you very much. Can you see? Let me come again. When you are to do it, you first find the percentage of the value. Then, if you are to increase, you add it to the initial value. And if you are to decrease, you subtract it from the initial value. Now, if you are to do this on your own, I believe you should be able to do it. Now, a man spends 48% of 12,500. What will remain? He spends this out of this. Then what will now remain? You should know it. Then a boy has 2,000. If his mother gives him 45% more, how much will he get all together? Then number 3, if you increase 780 mangoes by 30%, how many mangoes will you have? Then if 40% of 1,000 is lost, how much will remain? Then number 5, the last one here, 41% of 7,200 liters of water leaked out. How much water remained? My good children, please try to stay safe and read your books. Yes, by God's grace, this pandemic will soon end and we shall meet in school safely and healthily. God bless you in Jesus' name. Stay safe.